Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. For today's vlog, we will answer the frequently asked question, the difference between single attached house and a single detached house na type of property. But before that, we will be sharing to you kung sino ba yung developer ngayon. So the developer na feature natin ngayon is none other than Pueblo de Oro. That they do have project here in San Fernando, which is strategically located, no, with the nearby establishments. So labas mo dyan, you have the NLEX and you have the Green City, the hospital, tapos you have the mall, the SM Pampanga. So very strategic yung location. So again, let's answer the major question kung ano nga ba yung difference ng single attached and detached. So let's go. So if you will notice, no, dito sa likuran ko, this is a sample type of single attached. So as you can see on its property line, meron siyang firewall. So again, this is the major difference ng single attached and detached. Meron siyang firewall wherein na-maximize talaga yung space. So let's go. Let's walk around dito sa property. Ayan yung sa facade niya, no? And then this is the part pa ng property niya, no? Yung sa harap. And then this is the car park or car garage. Ayan. Okay. So, hanggang dyan yung property niya since this is a corner lot, no? And then, yung end ng property mo is dun sa firewall. Okay? So, tignan naman natin kung ano yung sa single detached. O, tara. Okay? So, ito yung hangganan ng property niya na firewall. So, firewall serves as, yun nga, from the term itself na firewall to really, you know, help to prevent yung pagkalap ng fire, no, if that happens sa property, no. And then for the single detached, if you will notice, ayan yung property, no, wala siyang firewall, wherein 'di ba naikutan natin yung single attached kanina na yung pagitan niya dun sa property is the firewall. But this one is, you could walk around sa mismong property. Tara, libutan natin. So, ayan yung facade niya. So, eto, this could be your provision of your carport, wherein, ayan, pwede mo nga siyang ikutan. Ayan. Yung pinaka-property line mo is, eto pa. Ayan. Yan, nalalakad natin and yung from the lot mo, yung property is nasa gitna siya. Ayan. See? Okay. So, I hope this simple, frequently asked question, no, nasagot namin. And just to show you around with this project, so they do have the Horizon Residences too, wherein the typical lot area dito ranging as of the moment, no, 118 square meter of lot area to 220 square meter of lot area. So, for the single, detach muna tayo, no? So, since, again, nasa gitna yung property mo, yung floor area naman is roughly nasa 70 square meter lang, no? Of floor area. Tara, pasukin natin yung single detached. Okay. Ayan. So, ayan siya. Welcome. So, this could be your provision for your living room. So, yung type of finish nila dito is fully finished. Ayan. Ayan siya. Tapos, on your ground floor, actually dito yung sa kitchen mo, no? Tapos, and of course, your toilet and bath. And this one, actually meron siyang room wherein if you want to expand for a dirty kitchen, ayan, or for laundry, yan, pwede din siya. Yan, for extension and expansion. And of course, as we move forward sa second floor niya, no? So, So this is the second floor wherein you could put up to 2 rooms. Of course, you have your master's bedroom and your second room. So yan, the good thing kapag fully finished na ganito, na wala pang partition, you could adjust, no? You could adjust kung gaano kalaki yung master's bedroom. So, at your option or discretion kung paano mo siya pagagandahan or pagagandahin, di ba? So, ayun. And I hope it helps, no? And yun nga, for more information about this property, feel free to message us and we will be showing you pa mga sample deliverables kung paano nyo i-interior yung property nyo. So again, thank you so much and don't forget to hit the subscribe and comment down below if ano yung gusto nyong property type, a single attached or single detached. Thank you and see you on our next vlog. Bye for now!